Well, we're still staying with developments in Borno State, where gunmen killed at least 43 farm workers. We have joining us on the news the Senior Special Advisor to Governor of Borno State on Media, Sheikh Haruna. It's good to have you join us on the news at this time. Well, can you tell us what the situation is right now? Because from where we understand, it seems to be extremely dire.
Yeah. Thank you very much for having me on this time. The situation in Zabal and indeed Borno State, we are in a terrible situation of mourning. This sad news came to us with a shocking, because Zabal is a community, a famous farming community known for cultivation and processing of rice. The farmers went to a nearby village called Koshobe, which is a border town between Jere local government and Mafa local government. These people went to harvest their product. Unfortunately, the insurgents leashed on them and then killed 43 as for the record. But we are not too much certain about the exact number. It will be more than that. His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Borno State, Professor Babagana Umar Azum, was this morning at Zabal community and took part in the funeral prayers and the burial of our brothers that were killed by the insurgents. This situation has thrown this whole state into a mourning period. We hope that this situation will come to an end very soon.
Which is what we all pray for. If I would ask you, this attack is coming just weeks after the governor's convoy was also attacked, and in which several police officers and soldiers were killed. But tell us what security measures the governor is putting in place to ensure that there is no occurrence of this kind of incident again.
It is a well-known fact that when the present governor, His Excellency Professor Babagana, came on board, he has been very supportive to the security operatives, those in the theater of the war here. He has been providing vehicles and logistic support to ensure that they overcome or overrun these insurgents, so that the much-needed peace will return to Borno State. At every forum, the governor seems to assist the security operatives, including the civilian JTF and some volunteers who have been at the war front, trying to give a helping hand to see that this insurgency ends in Borno State and indeed Northeast and Nigeria at all.
All right, a very sad situation there. We hope that succor comes for those who have been affected there in Borno State. Senior Special Advisor to the Governor of Borno State on Media, Sheikh Haruna, thank you so much for speaking to us on TVC News.
Yeah, thank you for having me.